Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your content strategy with BuzzSumo, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the BuzzSumo website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Start by exploring the trending section to identify current popular content in your niche. Next, use the search bar to enter relevant keywords related to your industry. Review the results to see which articles are performing best. Pay attention to the number of shares across different social media platforms. This will help you understand what type of content resonates with your target audience. Make a note of the top performing topics and formats. Additionally, explore the content analysis feature. This section allows you to analyze the performance of your own content. Enter your website URL to see how your articles stack up against competitors. Review metrics like engagement, backlinks, and social shares. Use the insights to identify gaps in your current content strategy. Next, utilize the Influencers tab to find key figures in your industry. Connect with these influencers for potential collaboration or outreach. Navigating to the competitor research tool can reveal what competitors are doing well. Enter competitor URLs to gain insights into their top content and strategies. Identify successful topics that you may want to cover. Once you've gathered sufficient insights, start planning your content calendar. Incorporate trending topics and high-performing formats. Consider creating a mix of content types like blogs, videos, and infographics. Use BuzzSumo's monitoring feature to keep track of new content in your niche. Set alerts for specific keywords to stay updated on trends. Regularly revisit your strategy based on the data obtained from BuzzSumo. Evaluate the performance of your content over time. Adjust your approach based on what continues to engage your audience. Incorporate visual storytelling where possible, as it often drives more engagement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.